Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. I gotta switch it up to good day because it's morning time, at least where I'm at right now, but it may not be morning time as you're listening or watching this. So, but anyways, it is Ebony with EBI Labs, and I'm doing walking stand-up. I had to go in the house and switch the jacket because it's a little warm today, which I so greatly appreciate and love. So I had to put on a little jean jacket today because the other jacket, I was baking just as soon as I stepped outside. It's like, oh no, oh no. So today's theme, it's Wednesday. Usually I like to have Wednesdays be just a little wind down. Not whining meaning wine, but wine meaning wind them, yeah? If you know, you know. But today, and I guess I still, instead of having like an early start, I took a later start just to meditate, relax, reset, refresh, and breathe. So that's what this walking stand-up is breathe. Being very intentional to stretch your insides, caress your insides, relax your insides through your breath, like intentionally, in order to rest for a moment, reset, collect yourself, and ultimately get it done. Like, rest is essential to the soul, to the spirit, to the body. And it's important to honor when you're tired, when you're feeling a little fatigued, but still knowing you still have to get it done. And taking intentional, focused time to do that, at least for me, is really important. And being in this space where I have the privilege to set my schedule gives me the opportunity to really focus on what my body is saying to me and making adjustments as needed for the day, for the moment. And that doesn't come just because, I'm a business owner or CEO, because some CEOs, a lot are their day is busy from start to finish, and a lot of people's days are busy start to finish. And so it's not, and it doesn't mean that people that work we all still work for an employer, whether you are your own employer or not. But if you're not the owner or the chief lead, some people still have the flexibility in the day to really construct their day and their schedule, and that's a privilege, regardless of what type of working environment or structure they're in. Some people just have the privilege to have flexibility in their schedule, and for some people that's not important. Some people don't feel right if they're not busy all the time. That's not me. That's not me. And so what I mentioned in earlier stand-up was the importance of knowing yourself and setting yourself up for success. And a part of that is really constructing the work environment as possible to have optimal success for you, your team, your work, your life. And sometimes you have that and sometimes you don't. And sometimes you still have to schedule that in if you don't have the flexibility for whatever reason. So this is just a little quick one to say, whenever, however you can, take a moment to breathe, to reset, to collect yourself, to rest and recover so you can get it all done. All right, adios. Bye-bye.